In this incredible video, I'm going to show you a method I recently discovered that will allow you to download video from YouTube without installing software, without having to be a premium member. Very easy, direct, no software whatsoever. The web page that accompanies this video that gives you more detailed instructions is showing on your screen now. I'm going to show you how you can download video from YouTube in all the major browsers, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome. And the trick to being able to do it is really quite simple. It's a matter of tricking YouTube into believing you are visiting them from a mobile phone. First, I'm going to show you how to download a video directly from YouTube without installing software or an extension. What you do is go to Internet Explorer. Find the video you want to download. Let's say it's Van Halen's Jump Live. What you want to do is let the video begin playing for a couple of seconds. Press F12 on the keyboard and then click where it says emulation. Select Windows Windows 10. Browser profile Windows Phone, IE 10 Windows Phone 8 or 7. Or IE9 Windows Phone 7. You want to set the resolution as small as possible. Again, we're tricking YouTube into thinking we're visiting them from a mobile phone. Then make sure the video is playing. Then click on the DOM Explorer. Type in left bracket the word video. You see this right here where it says source src equals. That's your video's URL. Copy it to the clipboard, paste it into your web browser, and then you can right click that video, save video as, and download to your desktop. That simple. Now I'm going to show you how to download a video from YouTube directly without software, extensions, or having to be a premium member. We're going to assume we want to download the same video we downloaded in Internet Explorer. Let the video begin playing. Like Internet Explorer, press F12. And you see this little thing here that says Toggle Device Toolbar. Kind of looks like a little mobile phone. Click that. And then what you want to do is select from here. The best one I found is to select one of the iPhones, iPhone 6, 7, or 8. Then with these new browser settings that you specified to emulate a mobile phone, refresh, let the video play again for a couple of seconds, and then over here click Elements, type in the word video, and there you go, the source right there. Once again, big long string, double click it, Control C to copy it to the clipboard, navigate to it in another Chrome browser tab, right click, save video as. Now I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video directly without installing software or extensions, without having to be a premium member, with Mozilla Firefox. Again, we'll assume we're going to be downloading the same video. Once again, let it start playing. Press F12. And this little thing here again looks like a little bit of a mobile phone. Click it. And then you want to click here, pick a mobile phone. Again, I find the best results using one of the iPhones. Again, with the new settings, then press F5 on the keyboard to refresh the web page, which also refreshes the source code. And let the video begin playing for a second or two again. And then in the inspector, click the inspector window, right click the video, inspect element, look for where it says div ID equals player. That's expanded already. Then underneath that you're going to see div ID equals movie player. Expand that. Here where it says HTML5 video container, expand that. And here again at the source is your video's URL. Double click. Firefox a little bit more complicated. So say source src equals quote and then the string, which is the URL of the video. Look for the ending quote. So you select the text between the two and then paste that string into your browser. Again, right click, save video as. With Firefox, just a little bit more complicated, but it still can be done. Thank you for watching this video on how to download videos from the major browsers to your desktop without having to use any extensions or add-ons and without having to be a premium member.